Guys, good morning. It's July 27, 7:46 a.m. Kakagising ko lang. As you guys can see, inalis ko na yung kama ko para hindi na ako matutulog ulit. And it's a cloudy day. At least it's not rainy. At least we can do some things. I don't know if I'll be able to go to the gym, but I don't know yet. We're going to eat. Luto kayo guys. I think I'll eat oats. Ay, hindi. Wrong. We're going to Devo muna. I'll get right back with you guys. I didn't expect my face to be this close sa camera. Because I was thinking of what I was going to eat. Nakalimutan ko i-show yung kakainin ko. Kasi gutom na ata ako niyan. I don't remember. Pero, ano tawag dito? I was eating ampalaya and bread. And drinking coffee. And then, I was watching Rory Gilmore. Yun lang. I will make my breakfast, which is oatmeal. Ay, hindi. Mag-aampalaya tayo.
Please. But it's really pretty. I sell Star-shaped hot dogs.
How about if you get out of debt?
Hi guys! Tapos na ako mag-eat. And then, wala na akong gagawin now. Update ko na lang siguro kayo kung may gagawin ako. And then, baka mag-gym ako. Possible, and hoping na makapag-gym ako later. Or if not, baka mag-home workout na lang muna. Bye! So, hi guys. Wala pang nangyayari sa buhay ko. I'm thinking if, mag-gym ba ako kasi, but I think I should go to the gym, but I'm not like 100% motivated to go to the gym. Mag-gym ba ako? Kasi, hi guys. Nakilamas na ako and then I'm currently watching Rory Gilmore. Prepare lang ako for gym. Magta-timelapse na lang ako. Guys, I'm done fixing myself.
One lipstick at home, okay, and it's barely even a color.
I'm wearing sweatpants, and then a gift from Joe, and then say hi. Hi. Okay guys, pupunta na ako sa gym. Grabe ang oily ko yung sunscreen ko kasi. Okay, so mag-gym muna ako. Keep you guys updated. Record na lang ako sa phone ko. Bye! Hi guys! I'm back home. Hindi na ako nag-vlog ng pauwi kasi wala, ang daming tao. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog sa gym kasi ang dami ding tao. Yun, mag-shower na ako. Kasi, punta kami ng SM ata. Bibili ka ng controller. I'll keep you guys updated. Hi guys, I just finished dressing up and taking a bath. Now I need to do my makeup so I can go out. So while I do my makeup, I'm watching Rory Gilmore again. So, yes, I'm watching them again. 3 times ko nang napanood yung Rory Gilmore. So while I do my makeup, magta-timelapse na lang ako ulit. Hey guys. So, habang nag-makeup, kain ako ng tinahan. Watch me make up and eat. So, hi guys. Tapos na ako mag-ayos. I'm currently wearing this sandal from H&M. Yung jacket ko is from, yung session nga. Yung night market. Ayan. Tapos pants ko, I forgot. Hindi ko alam. Matagal na kasi to. And I'm using the bag that my lola gave me. Kasama ko sila Kian. And we're about to go na kasi ang ingay nila. Keep you guys updated. Bye! Oh. Mag-hi kayo. We're going to the shoes. Gusto ko rin ng perfume. Dito tayo. We're going to check the perfume check. Bakit mas maganda yung lighting sa loob? Mas maganda yung lighting sa loob. Nakakaya mag-vlog kasama sila inyo.
Hi!
Noon, nakakaya lang. Diba, tara sa H&M. Pala nagre-record kanina, nag-haul pa kami ngayon. Bumili siya ng perfume and hair wax niya. Tapos, kauwi lang din namin. Just now, nag-hi pa si Casey sa'yo. Tapos nag-try din ako ng lipstick niya. That's so sad. Dami ko bang sinasabi kanina? Pero mag-edit muna ako. I'll edit this video. Ngayon yung tinitake ko. Para matapos ko na. So, I'll get back later. So, update. Bye! So, hi guys. I'm currently editing. And now is mag-shower muna ako. So, I can rest na. And then, mag-ML kami. So, baka i-vlog ko din yan. Ang ganda talaga ng lipi ni Casey. So, kunin natin sa kanya. Charis. So, mag-shower muna ako. And then, i-vlog ko na lang yung pag-ML namin. Kasama ko sila Casey, si Kian, si Joe. ako. Tapos, I don't know kung sino sa friends ni Kian yung sasali. Or baka random. So, I don't know. Yun lang. So, I'll take a shower muna. And, balik ako guys. So, guys, mag-ML na kami. Kasama ko si Joe, si Casey, si
Tulog ako.
Kian.
Oh, kaya pala naglalab. Sa kabila ng unik.
Azim! Ay! Come here. Kakadol. Kakadol mo. Unti lang. Sige na, dun ka na. Ba't ka naman eh, hindi mo manalab eh.
Uy, tara.
Hi guys, it's currently 11:28 na. Oh, 11:29 and I'm about to go to bed na. Tapos, I'll probably be sleeping already and then continue editing tomorrow. I think I can post this by Monday. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This isn't my funnest vlog, but still be posting this since sayang naman yung clips. I'll try to put more effort sa next clips ko since mas marami na rin akong ideas. And I'll try to bring my camera around na. I'll try to practice. But I think this camera is harder to use since hindi nga siya like it can't be flipped yung screen niya. So I can't personally see myself sa screen. So it's a lot more harder. End the vlog here na. And I'll see you again maybe next week or kung kailan ko film mag-vlog, I'll just post. Wala akong schedule sa posting ko. So, mag-abang-abang na lang kayo. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.